Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Jazz, and you just flew in early this morning.
Yes.
Welcome to Natural Transplants.
Thank you.
And we haven't even taken your hair out of your ponytail or your braids. Are you excited?
I am excited. I'm a little bit nervous, but the excitement is surpassing the nervousness, so I'm ready.
And what made you interested in getting a hair transplant?
So I suffer from alopecia, probably a combination of the traction alopecia as well as like androgens because I have PCOS. And I've suffered for over a decade. Always had to like wear styles that kind of like mask or hid the damaged areas. And then I started doing my research because I didn't want to continue to, wear hairstyles that I couldn't just show my hair. And so I discovered natural transplants through a TikTok video. And after doing my research, I was sold. I mean, just even finding somebody who deals with afro hair, and then just going to the website, seeing everything that I've seen, all of the, recognition you guys got, Dr. Siegel being on Dr. Oz, I was sold. So I called, and you guys were able to accommodate me the following week after I called, and they had a special going on, so I was here.
Well, I'm excited for you. We're going to get started, and we're going to follow your progress throughout the day, different stages, and let's get started.
Okay.
Awesome. So here we are, and we just got done drawing everything out. We've yet to shave, but I'm super excited about the hairline that you chose. Pretty much you love this hairline, you said, so I'm excited for you. And any words so far? Pretty easy so far, right?
So far, it's been pretty easy. Dr. Siegel has accommodated me very well, made me laugh, feel comfortable, so I'm ready to get it done.
Awesome. Well, let's get started. Here I am with Jazz, and so we got done suturing you, removing the suture line. How was the first part of the procedure?
The first part of the procedure was not too bad. I was a little bit anxious about the anesthesia, but it was not as bad as I thought. And it was great. The team has been making me feel real comfortable.
And listening to some amazing music,
Yes,
sing-along music.
In here.
Yeah, I almost feel like I'm at a sing-along.
It's a whole concert. I'm loving it.
Let's take a look at that incision site. And that will be a pencil line incision site. You'll have a very, very, very hard time finding that. So let's keep on moving on, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit.
Alrighty.
So here I am with Jazz, and how was your day?
My day was great. I really enjoyed the entire team. They made me feel like I was family. It was great.
You are family.
Thank you. Lunch was good. You guys fed me. It was amazing. We listened to some great music. You guys kept me laughing, which is my favorite thing to do, so I enjoyed it.
And we definitely were able to fill in, get you a new frontal hairline, really focusing on your edges. So now the clock is on. We have 365 days until we see the final results. And there's no doubt in my mind you're going to be one happy person with a new hairline.
Yes, I'm already happy and just anxious for the results. So you guys got me smiling already. Thank you.
Well, we'll keep the world posted on your results, and cannot wait to call you at 4 months, 9 months, and a year. You have my personal cell phone number, and you're going to go back to the Airbnb or the hotel and just take it easy.
Yep, that's my plan.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. Siegel.